Hi everybody, good afternoon. So this is going to be your next section of your shading techniques chapter. I have done little by little in these sheets. Okay, so I'll be explaining it to you how you're supposed to do it so that you can watch this and do. Okay, so this is a small dandelion flower that I have done, and I'm going to do the shading technique in smudging. Okay, so this is called as smudging. So what you're supposed to do is, it's going to be very easy. So just you need to do like how you have done the shading, that is you have to color this with your pencils. Just give a random shading to it like this. Okay, so cover the whole area just randomly. Okay, so you don't have to be very neat, right? So once that is done, take this stumps. So I had told you about the stumps in the before classes. Okay, it's just like a tissue paper wound tightly. You will get it in any of the shops separately, STUMPS, stumps, or with this box only you get the stumps with that. Okay, so now very neatly, so since you have done this shading here, you need to just hold this and smudge. This is called as smudging. You need to rub on that. So once you rub it, it will give a very smooth finish to it. Okay, so neat and smooth finish you will get. Okay, so just rub on this. If you don't have a stump, no issues, you can just fold a tissue paper or tear a normal soft paper and just rub it with your finger. Okay, so this I'll show you how it is done. See here, just rub on that. So once you rub on that, you will get a neat smooth effect. So that effect you need to do the whole thing. Okay, so that drawing that you have done, that should not be seen. Okay, it is just you need to smoothen the lines that you have done. Okay, so with this is called as smudging. Okay, so you are just going to rub over the pencil marks that you have done. So it gives a very beautiful effect once you complete it. Okay, so this is so I will show you the complete flower, how it looks. So you need to just randomly rub on that. Okay, so it gives that very foamy effect, gauzy effect you will get. See, it looks like that natural flower that is there. So when you do any flowers or anything, when you smudge it up like this, it will give a very beautiful effect. Simple, right? Yeah. Yes. So this is called as smudging. And now this is stippling. Okay, so stippling is very simple. You can see here. So first I started with a 2B pencil. I will show you this part. So you need to make just dots like this. So just dots you have to put. Do not make like this. You need to just do this. Okay, tapping it. So tapping effect you are supposed to do. Okay, yeah, once you finish with a 2B pencil, you take the next 4B pencil for a more darker effect. So I feel this is a lighter portion and here I'm going to do darker. So in between I will do with 4B pencil. This is called as stippling. So a little bit your hand will pain because you're just doing a rhythmic action. Okay, but the after effect of your drawing illustration will be very beautiful. Okay, then next you take the next pencil, more darker pencil, that is 5B, and then do the dots again. So as close as possible, as compact it should be. My hand is already started to pain. Yeah. So this is how you will do it. Then you can give outline. Here also you need to do the same dotted effect. Do not color, do not shade, do not use any other technique apart from the stippling. You're not supposed to color or shade or smudge here. Okay, it's just a stippling effect you are giving. Okay, yeah, see here, so you need to complete like this.